Hi everyone, this is Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with another fun unboxing video for you. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of the channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our fun content. So in this video, I'll be unboxing the August collection, the main one for August from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and this one is called Nocturnal Bloom Beads Collection, and I've seen the list of the products, and honestly, I think this one is going to be a banger. So let's unbox it. In case you're new here, Eureka collections are carefully curated bead assortments created around a theme or a color palette designed for beaders of all levels. We launch our regular collections monthly on the first Thursday of the month and our smaller light collections on a Monday around the middle of the month. Alright, so here is everything that's in the collection. Let me tidy it all up and we'll discuss each product individually. Alright, so as always, the first two things that you get in the collection are the things that are supposed to get you in the mood for creating and get you inspired. So first of all, you get the inspiration picture. These are these beautiful flowers somewhere at night where everything is magical. I love this palette. You get some oranges and yellows over here as well. You get some pinks, deep pinks, and violets and purples, and even some dark green in here. Beautiful. So that's one thing. And the other is an inspirational paragraph here on this very useful piece of paper. You can pause to read. Actually, this one is really interesting. So picture a botanical garden on a summer night. Isn't that exactly what that is? The August heat lingers in the air, and colors that looked ordinary in daylight suddenly glow with unexpected intensity. That's exactly right. So that's what this collection is going to be. And inside here, you get the name of the collection, of course, and a list of all of the products that are in this collection. All of them are numbered, so you can look up the number on the packaging and then see on the list which product it is, what color it is, and how much or how many of that product you get. And the easiest way to find more if you like a product is to enter the SKU number in the search bar at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. So you get this full list of all of the supplies. And this time it's only 20, which is not many for a main collection, but you get a lot of like mixes and full tubes of beads. So it's actually pretty rich. All right, so let's start discussing the products with the seed beads section as always. And in this one, you get 6 full tubes of beads. So no mixes this time, full tubes. And let's just start with the first 3, which are Tohos. You get a tube of Toho round 15s, the smallest ones, in this silver line. Let's see what is it. Silver line purple. It's absolutely beautiful, kind of cool, and it's going to bind everything together very well. Then with number 2, you get an 8-0. So the larger of the 3 most popular sizes, which are 15-0, 11-0, and 8-0. And this one must be metallic iris purple. Beautiful color. Then with number 3, you get a full tube of Toho treasures, which are the cylindrical beads in the Toho family. And this is one of my favorite metallic colors. This is galvanized carnival. So it's this kind of greenish gold with a lot of different colors flickering through it. It even has some pinks and some reds, like very subtle, but I really love this color. So I'm definitely going to make something with it. Then with numbers 4, 5, and 6, you get 3 tubes of Miyuki beads. So first up, you get 2 tubes of Miyuki 11-0s. You get this matte metallic magenta green iris. So it's a lot more nuanced than just regular iris purple. And you get this Duracoat silver aligned alabaster hibiscus, which is this beautiful warm pink color. Really lovely. And then finally, you get a 3mm bugle in another gorgeous metallic golden color, and this is metallic gold iris. This one I really wanted included because it's so kind of refined, and it brings some really good nuance as well to the entire palette. So you get 3 tubes of Miyuki beads. Now remember that they are packed by grams, so by weight, which means that the tubes are not going to be super full, like with Toho's, but you get about 10 grams, I think, in each of these tubes. This one has 8.5 grams, but these beads just take up more space, so that's why. Now, the Czech glass section only has 3 items, but boy, are they beautiful. So first up, you get a strand of 50 3mm fire polish beads in this gorgeous, cool green saturated metallic forest biome color. I really love it, and I love it for this collection. It brings a pop of a contrasting color to the whole palette. So yeah, I think it's a good addition. And then you get 2 full tubes of Czech glass pressed beads. So you get the 2-hole gem duo and the 1-hole teacup bead. And they are in the same color, which is metallic suede purple, which, as you can see, from batch to batch, and depending on how it's applied, I think it can look slightly different, but both versions are kind of beautiful. This one on the teacups is a little bit more nuanced, has more variation to it, and this is more kind of unicolor, but both are beautiful, and you get full tubes of them. So that's our Czech glass beads, and now finally we arrive at the crystal section, and first up you get this accent mix of 12 Krakowski crystals, and oh boy, are they just perfect for this collection. So you get 2 12mm Rivoli stones, and they are in astral pink, which is a little bit more orange than pink, but this coating is giving these stones a beautiful pink gleam and shine. Look at those chatons here. So you get those 2 astral pink Rivolis. Then you get these 2 Navette stones. They're pretty large. They are 9 by 18mm, and they are in the blue-violet color, which is just perfectly reflecting the colors in the picture. And then 2 ovals. They are 10 by 14mm, and then you get 6 8mm chatons, of which 3 are in violet blue and 3 are in astral pink. And I think it's a gorgeous mix. Next up in the crystal section are the pearls, and you get 2 strands of Krakowski crystal pearls. You get waterfront blue pearls in 6mm, and there's 65 of them. And then you get a brand new iridescent color. It's so beautiful. It's just called pink violet because those both colors show up on those pearls. Really beautiful. So mystical, I would say. So pretty. Another Krakowski crystal product that you get are 4mm bicones. You get a pack of 72 of them. Here's what they look like out of the pack, and the color is rose. However, that is not it for crystals, because you also get a strand of metallic purple iris Chinese crystal rondelle beads, and they're the larger ones, so 4 by 3mm. And this is another product with a color that works so perfectly with the inspiration, and I think with all of the other products as well. It's this deep, deep purple color with a lot of sparkle and a lot of different colors kind of shimmering through. Finally, there is the findings section, and we're starting it off with our brand new rhinestoned 4-petal flowers, and these are technically beads. They are spacers, and if you look at them, they have 2 holes that crisscross in the middle. So you can go from one petal to the opposite one, and you can go 2 ways, which is really awesome. And I'm super, super excited to work with them and figure out how you can use them. So you get 2 colors, 3 of each. You get these hot pink ones and the royal blue ones. So pretty. Then you get some earring findings, and these are really interesting. You get a pair of those earring posts, really kind of industrial, matching the vibe with the flowers, I would say. These are quite long. They have a hidden loop down here, and both of these are gold-plated stainless steel. They are slightly different color, In my guess, it would be the method of coating. One of those were PVD coated, probably those, and these were coated with a different method. That's why they're a little bit warmer. So these huggy hoops, they don't have a loop. You just create a big loop with your beads, slide it on, and close it up until it pops. And this is how you can use them separately as earrings, or you can exchange the beaded earrings that you make with just one pair of those hoops. That's why I love them absolutely. So you get a pair of these and a pair of these. And finally, the last two products are clasps. Both of these are also stainless steel, gold plated. So you get a magnetic clasp. This one, it's very elegant, pretty strong too, so definitely great for a bracelet. Super easy to open and close. And then you get a toggle clasp, pretty simple, but I would say it matches the vibe of the collection as well. And that is the August 2026 beads collection from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, the Nocturnal Bloom collection. I'm really excited for this palette, a beautiful assortment of colors and beads. I love the accent mix that we got here. I love those pearls in the brand new color. I love those brand new spacer beads with the rhinestones. And I really I'm looking forward to looking in the selection of seed beads in this collection. So I think in general, it's a beautiful treat and a great price. So make sure to check that out at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. And let me know in the comments which product is the highlight of this collection for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell because I will be creating so many projects with this collection. Well, at least 2. So stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!